Okay, today we're going to talk a bit about some new features that we have built into CarrierFinder, as well as a particular product that is now showing up in it that we think could be a lot of interest to a lot of people. And this product is called Fiber Plus by CenturyLink. So before I get into the actual product, and what I want to do is I want to just kind of talk about the new features and where it leads us to where we're going to go. So I'm going to start off just typing an address. So I'm not cutting and pasting, I'm typing it in. And there's an advantage to this because now you're going to see on a drop-down menu, you're going to see addresses pop up. Now we don't have every address in the United States. Matter of fact, we have only a small subset of those. But what's interesting about it is that these addresses that do pop up mean that we have them on our lit database, lit building database. And so that means that either services are either on net or near net to these locations. And so it's going to mean good things if you're trying to compete on this with your against other companies. So we're going to, in this case, I'm going to select the Bellevue address and we're going to press submit. So right now the system is looking up who the local telco is, the local cable co, finds the various information. Well, one new thing you're going to notice is it now pops up a little window here that says, good news, we found a match in our lit building database. View the lit building report for more information. You click OK. So what we do is we scroll down to the lit building database and we click on it. The system will now do some geospatial geocoding, searching for nearby buildings, and we will see them on the map and we can see who the local carriers are and such. But what I want to do is click on this detail grid. What we see here is that, and here's a couple new things. Now the address that we searched on is in green. That's the original origin address. We found a match which will show up in green and put a check mark in the field, so it's pretty obvious. We'll see in this case we see Fiber Plus popped up. In other cases you might see other things pop up. We're starting to build in more product information that's going to give you more intelligence on how to investigate these services for your potential sale. What we do here now is we click on the oh, and by the way, with Fiber Plus we see the technology that's being used to deliver it as GPON. That's Gigabit Passive Optical Network. Okay, you may see also MTU, multi-tenant unit buildings, but this one is a GPON. Now you might want to learn more about the product, and this is something we're going to start doing more of, is having links back to the CTG3 website, which is our master agency website, and I'm going to kind of zoom out here a bit. And this takes you directly into a blog article about CenturyLink Fiber Plus. So you can see that right here, just to wet your whistle a bit about this product, you can see that this product prices out for 100 megabit by 100 megabit symmetrical service, prices out at $280 per month. And believe it or not, we can actually get it lower than that using field discretionary pricing. We can go as high as a gig, 1 gig by 1 gig, for as low as $699 per month. To get more information about pricing, territories, different options, and so on, you want to just click on this video link and you'll hear me all over again talking about that. Another video that covers pretty much what I'm covering in this video is learn how to qualify sites. I would recommend, if you're watching this video, simply go to this one, watch it. So again, this particular product is, I think, very good. Um, if you are a VoIP provider and you are wanting to bring services in for your VoIP phones, this is an excellent service because it's got high upload speeds, symmetrical. It just beats out cable internet. Um, and then of course, CTG3 or your agent of choice, your master agent of choice, can place these orders for you and do the provisioning and so on. So, but that's a great service. It could be good for just about any kind of company. We don't think this is going to be available wholesale. So we suggest you really figure out ways to order this retail through master agents like CTG3 or again, whoever your master agent is of choice. Well, I think that is about it, and so I hope you enjoy using the new features that we put into the system, and stay tuned as we keep building more into it. Our next thing that we're going to be loading in is another 50,000 near-net buildings from Charter. So here you go.